guys, I just wanted to tell you all about the new and improved all-green hair dryer. It's really quite simple. All you have to do is hold your head out and it dries naturally from Earth's breath. Right in there, gets it all dry. For only 12 easy payments of $19.99, this too could be yours. And if you call today, I will throw in a second easy hair dryer, green dryer thingy. Call today. Blow drying can hurt. Oh, heck with you, hair dryer. So many cords, so many. Where do you even put it? In the drawer? That takes up so much space. This is the product I never knew I needed, says a reliable consumer. I never realized I could just roll down my window and dry my hair.
Wow, just look at this. I can't believe it. My hair is so dry,
says another reliable consumer.
I can't believe this product works so well. Unbelievable.
Everyone just loves this product. Only 12 easy payments of $19.99 plus shipping and handling.